Welcome to Module 13 of Social Work 6368, Social Work with Organizations and Communities. In this module, we'll be talking about advocacy. Brueggemann says, while social workers help individuals, groups, communities, and organizations, above all else, our concern is to bring about an authentically good and open society. This module will be about making this happen via advocacy and social action. In this module, you will learn two ways in which citizens impact government to help improve society, inside and outside approaches. Secondly, you'll explore how people create a good society by social action and social movements. Third, you'll learn about two kinds of social movements operating today. And fourth, you'll explore what social workers are seeking in a good society, or what we mean when we talk about a good society. To accomplish these objectives, you'll read Brueggemann, chapter 13, and you'll also read a chapter from Claire Bow's Urban Ministry about poverty, helping you to understand more about what we're talking about when we talk about deep-seated institutional poverty. You'll also watch 4 short videos about advocacy. Those videos include a Wallace Foundation video about what advocacy is, a video with Noel Castellanos, who's the executive director of the Christian Community Development Association, who's talking about what keeps Christian or Western churches from caring about the poor. You'll watch a video by Dr. Michelle Alexander, who is the world's foremost advocate on prison reform. And you'll watch another John Perkins video about how the gospel and justice are related from a Verge conference. You'll participate in, of course, a virtual class discussion as always. You will complete exercise 13.2, and you'll complete the section's 10-question, 10-minute Quizlet. Now, I want to give you a very, very important reminder. Your integration paper is due within this module. You've been preparing for it all semester. This is your chance to submit it. There's a place inside Blackboard to do so. It will go through Safe Assign to make sure that, that you haven't plagiarized. That will help you to better learn how to not plagiarize or to cite your references. The videos that we chose are specifically chosen to get you thinking about advocacy. So the Wallace Foundation video is fun. Castellanos, Perkins, and Alexander are advocates for dispossessed people, and their stories are compelling and hopefully will lead you to want to explore further the concept of advocacy, especially Dr. Alexander's book, The New Jim Crow, which I think is a must-read for anybody who's dealing with American under society, those who are at risk. Now, after reading and watching and interacting via the exercise, let's think about advocacy through the lens of social media and electronic communications. In this chapter, the point was made, or the chapter on Brueggemann, the point was made that modern technology is making politics accessible to everybody in ways never before thought possible. We've got e-democracy, e-government, and e-advocacy, and so that makes distance no barrier to political decision-making. So the question I want you to answer in this group discussion is, will technology make politics and social processes more accessible to people, increasing the quality and representativeness of policy solutions? If so, why? If not, why not? As always, answer in 3 paragraphs of 3 sentences each or more, and respond to all of your peers' questions as well. Don't forget to turn in your paper. The rubric is right there within the paper turn-in place on Blackboard, so you'll be able to read exactly what I'm expecting. Of course, that was in your syllabus as well. I'm looking forward to reading your papers. Very, very excited about that. I'm looking forward to reading what else you have to offer the discussion and the exercise. And this is our second to last module. So we are winding down the class. God bless, and we'll see you in Module 14.